Next day, we take a 45-minute stroller push to the northeast, Salamanca, Madrid's gilded cage. Sure, it's got the fancy shops and the big money vibes, but don't let that fool you. The air is crisp, the place is slow, but when your belly starts to rumble, it's time to ditch the high-end boutiques and head for someone's sushi cravings that haven't been met this holiday yet. Okay, alright, let's go get sushi then. Alright. But you know what? I'm feeling vibey. Let's dig a little deeper. We find some holy intervention. Santa Teresa, a hidden gem. Tiny tapas bars with all the cakes and wines you can consume. Nova does a bit of shopping, and so do we. Salamanca might be Madrid's fancy side, but it's got heart. And if you know where to look, you'll find it. All in all, this was an incredible 5-day trip in Madrid. It felt so much longer because the city had so much to offer. You might think the euro is a bit expensive, but the food and the drinks and everything in Madrid, in Spain as a whole, is really cheaper than you think. And if you're in a mindful budget for your family, this is a safe place. I went as far as I could at some restaurants and didn't even manage to break 100 US. And just casually, we spent maybe 30 to 40 each time we dined. It was incredible value. It was amazing produce. But you know, just sit back and relax. Spain goes on its own time. Now, we pack up our gear, head to the airport early, and now we're off to Lisbon. Make sure to join us on our next adventure. Video will be released soon. Please like, subscribe, and share. We're just a family that goes.